pon ya doma next week de ebra ya beba na obabi soma to aso na kuku ana odi meja no onti na me boss anwum bibi jeje no bibi jeje this week oni ma ni ye kra stress nko a kapre susu nim kapre nim na odi ma ye adwuma hunu what I say chese no kura chire kura no chese promise bi ni ade nyina na say ne na usudie nyina still me hu hwe na me tia temso for ye adwuma no pay so hu eja kwa trase enche meko no honom but then demonstrations bi kokoso kumase demonstrations bi ekokoso kumase one the edi kan yeso me interchange ne so a free so am about no a ede ko post office honum de kwa no manje honum no na omo ye demonstration de omo se contractor na wo ye adwuma no ase wo yi na ni rango for no ye do season so as was steady a asem futuro wa system ni mu pa futuro our system ni mu to masem omo kanyina ne se contractor na o ye adwuma no omo make sure say omo de insuo ebegu eye ekwan ne so dan se ebe te se ye asiye ye kwanti ye mfa mo ho eno omo so omo to no mu digwa ebi tonton engines ne ade a se futuro no bi call mo ne ma ne mu kra na ebe se no omo entibi fanye bibia bio ena mpeso ma kwa akotone ejina je se akwakoye anibresem me hu se regional minister Dr. Franka Mwakoyene eko ho the Kumasi mayor Richard Kwesi Fori Agimambo adi Zuba eko ho sa soso na me hu se so me MC esoso eko ho ze Frank ho oko ho no na me sa hu sa squad MC krai amo camel no nyina etutu America eko ho no na ma me nko ma no so ene the new Ashanti Regional Police Commander no nyina eko ho na yenko ma no so na yene owura Godfred Bafuboni enkodi enkomo oye Spare Parts Dealers Association ku no de also ame mazino ono mamimsa no Mr. Bafuboni, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Nampacho ho ye
ya me adom na mo so e
Awurade adom yeso so ye ho ye saa enti Spare Parts Dealers Association ko no a also ame mazino una ye chairman
but every me
Mbacho sabre bio
the chairman your friend Adu
your friend Godfred Adu
and I mean the Godfred for the secretary.
Oh, okay, na chese seke yo ona chochuru bibia na eno mo demonstration na mo ye no na mo sempa ene sei na mo sempa ne sei
Abani ye better mo yes videos ni bi ma obi ahu ni enya asem bia ya how ni aban na dawuma o ye kwan na kwan ni yemu no who say Ogi kwan so enti ama enfuturo e wo so before na omo by free best omo chwo mani abo of the kusu so enti ye betena on ma enfuturo e ko yemu e na ese elunti ena ma ya kan wasema
Mr. Bafuboni
yes sir
me bacho yenkomo yi o ma ne nye dem ma me because ye line ni breaky sa nti o ka asem na ye nti ne ye nti bacho sen ka obe position hu ye amame a na nka yenkomo na ye de why
the bacho
Debbie mente mo ye hwese be senya Bafuboni bio ewo ahoma no so amame a na yedi enkomo no ne nyina so amemezi for no nti se we videos ni bi eda television yi so a ne nyina so amemezi for no na edu ba bi kra no mo block kwan no mo block kwan ni bi ma je se na enya asem keto akra nti police for regional minister Kumasi mayor ame unse so ame MC ene asokwani nuanom ada MCs ni nyina bi etutu America ko ho ekoko support abzavo Yentuaso. Na mene Mr. Bafuboni to aso. Mr. Bafuboni ma mesa mo achibium. Mr. Bafuboni.
Me ba cho temi kai.
Mo afede mete on kai pa. Enti na o se enfutro no a wo mo mfa nsuo megusu nti no. Ene ma sa demonstration we mo ye me bo a.
Me ba cho na pepe na okan.
Mo enti mo ye demonstration no a regional minister KM mayor so am MC ne nuanom MC sini bi be kan no wo honom no e de asem no mo ka de kire mo.
Okay, almost say boss free aircraft and as a move free aircraft no be say contractor dey so abekoto. Ampa ye o na dey say o ma say ase. Enti ye rehwe o mani press ye press o mo boss don be gusu dia. Omni se be gusu dia problem dia. Ne mom no say ye hwe na te na wotwe. Nsuo no adwuma no amba so dia ene na obi de comment
Bate o se enra na mu hu se o mo de nsuo eguso na meboa
enra de o mo sha se di guso de ye be kan ye no card be 9 de eba nti ano pay afeni ye doko ye ready e besi se nya me ya do na to mba ya ye no mo ni asem bia
na kon na
de to manim se
aha
sabe finding the no speed and no de ko no to say you win sa
ekwan na slow down ho
papa
speed and no mo e de chase a no mo de ko no mu hu ni sa say ho
you win sa kra
na mu hu so mo ye adwuma de omo ho a omo ye adwuma no mu hu omo
nipa omo na nipa kakre we ye president on there baby omo ye nipa kakre o
sene na kane no mo chase a na nipa gusu bebre a gidigidi no eso ate ho
papa
na contractor no se de asem ntia na onfa nsuo enguso mfa mamo no na o se de asem a
sana o se omo mu ko but that stretch no I was saying first no cry no cry no be so good man but say bebo so me point for me and he say there on buy there you will say you know the them the account and on the private people so there so buy rango for the buy the to us any boy say
Tina yes MC ne de so me municipal de ne be kan rango for de no mebo a na omo de ensuo guso amamo. Okay nti so say ejafe na de ache a mo besa akom adwuma so na makọ se de enro omo hya ase no ene ombeto aso de amamo na mebo a. Okay nti ene
is very good to comedy is very good to eye dia o se pa e no mu ni asem dia e kwan o mu ye interview o mu dan because you say project no mo ye but my babu why o mu ye wi e babu e o mu ye ye to ade but ye vesa the game futura asada but the futuro no e ko e mu yare na ye niam e na ye sere o mu so mbegu so a obi an o mu ni asem
Mate. Na me emfa unsie na yenhwe ni mu se ende se ne niema besi akona yensamra obi anope da se Mr. Bafuboni
Mr. Madam Asipa
nyame nshraw yo observe nti we eyora Godfred Bafuboni spare parts dealers association kuno ono ena eye secretary edema wo mo also amemazi ni nyina so am interchange na omo ye no na omo efi se kwaya contractor no de omo fa so no ntwe yi nsuo kromfa bi meguso and season we so season bi a mfuturo wo system ne mo pa na omo sa so etim futurum sa de eden edema wo mo na enye omo nko na ye demonstration pragiafo wo kumase so na omo ye demonstration omo nsem gina ne se kwaya kemefo de omo fa so no omo ne nye wo omani nye ho kra na no mbeka ya ne Kumasi me yodi nkomo ofia no pa emode to yanim say Christmas yi omo be block Pragiafo no say omo enwura the Central Business District titru ene Pragia ni a wombe hu se nipa more than 3 ena ete Pragia nim omo makwan ema ungram ene omo fi se posifo no so teti wo mo MTTD for no ye agis wo hu se Pragia wo ba he ubegya de wo ye bia no ne wawie honum ene nam so ma enra sa demonstration we course abuzanfo na yehwese omo the petition koma the Ashanti Regional Minister Dr. Frank Amoakohene edibi ko chese Kumasi me yonum nyina ebabemu a we emra na je so munam kemi ho ede efra region no so na de akofa golden tulip sise mo friend se Lancaster enimu ho no mo ede akọ regional coordinating council de omo petition akoma emperimfo ndi we omo nyina ye Pragiafo omo nyina ye Pragiafo eni enzo mo dozo no mo pake Pragiarism bi na we chire ho no. That's right. Iti we emra enra omo eye demo se kwaya mperimfo do omo fa sukuri mu no omo eni enye ho nti eho asem eno no nim se yenti omo asem ne kakra. Okay, into the muno enonom. Afiyan from Parliament budget no a the finance minister Ora Kesa Latoba Forsen and the Kotom Rasweja for him no masha se a omo debate edi hu nkomo a na enra enkomo ba ko a epie Brasbeje fie mu hono mo Honorable Patrick Yaw Boamah Miami senior ya me bra pani Honorable Patrick Yaw Boamah ne kokukuru ba say o se wonti ase enne si eka galamsi asem na se NDC fo yi omani tu baabi na so omo mpe wansem kra no matie na okai pa se emra ye omo bontoa 2024 elections no campaign koso no NDC for kasi ni people say o see declare state of emergency mining areas ne forest zones ne your water bodies nyina so no busa say eba ne say de na asia NDC ba bemu be 11 months ni kwafi ase womo empe ho asem na wono ake enam so ma ekofa atwema mentwe ewo ono ene honorable Mahama Yarigante majority leader if say na majority leader ne nya adwene o say NDC anka de ba bia so omo ba bemu a omo ebe declare state of emergency wo ba bia nsuo ye forest ne ade ewo ti ekofa atwema mentwe kakra ba ye ko we de course Parliament.
The NDC as a political party and John Dramani Mahama as the candidate never promised a state of emergency. Never. NDC never promised. The manifesto is there. The manifesto captures the promises we made to Ghanaians. And there are video clips of every rally, every statement of the candidate John Dramani Mahama, and he never promised a state of emergency. So I believe the honorable member can retract that and continue, even though I have no problem if the honorable member says that an expressway to Kumasi is unnecessary. The people of Kumasi don't deserve an expressway. I think that the state of emergency was never promised. There was never a commitment of John Dramani Mahama and the NDC.
Yes, Honorable Patrick Boamah.
Mr. Speaker.
Did you say some experts propose a declaration of state of emergency? Or you said the NDC promised a state of emergency?
I said the NDC promised a state of emergency. And I insist on that, and it's on record, Mr. Speaker. It's on record.
Tiwei chese twema mentwi a eba Honorable Patrick Yaw Boamah MP de ma this year ewo Okankwe Central abato mpesua so entem ene Honorable Mahama Yarega Boko Central mrasebe dwene ene osaso majority leader entem ni nyina state of emergency na Honorable Patrick Yaw Boamah insist say NDC for videos ni ade omo campaigns omo kan so omo ebeye sade nenso ne omo eba be ma se omo mpe ho asem kra na omo atie na omo atu ho anamo na chese ehon sem so minority leader Honorable Alexander Afenyoma Kensoso no ekokukuru bai say budget no nkomo no a omudie no ha se Mahama Yarega 12 na kikiri 12 na ugina ha no say obe face the squarely pa o face no squarely pa nya asem ketwa.
Earlier on saw the Honorable Majority Leader rise on his feet to interrupt Honorable Patrick Boamah. Mr. Speaker, the honorable gentleman who leads this house did not cite any order. And I heard him, I was watching him. In fact, his attempt excited my entry into this chamber. He said that the NDC did not state in their manifesto that they were going to impose a state of emergency in this Galamsey matter. He didn't consider it a rebuttal which will be contained in his own submissions. But he got up to say that the honorable member must be interrupted. Anyway, Mr. Speaker, I am tempted to say that he comes to equity without doing equity. But since he's invited me on procedure, I would face him squarely. Mr. Speaker, he is known for convenience. He is known for convenience. Even when he himself had argued that when a matter is pending before court, this house should stay its hands. He is the same person to quickly say that even when a matter is pending before court, the house is not stopped.
Honorable Alexander Afenyoma any attending can the minority leader and MP de ma this year were futu abaton pesua so any attending kanwa ono so etisi mo said the Mahama Yarega church no Honorable Patrick Yaw Boamah na o making his statement one man and one sikura wotisi mu chenchire ndisi anka state of emergency bia no office entweye na obamu kura no parliament nseseye ene parliament niema no wamfa anya adwuma eno na so ye majority leader enti na watiesim na obi kasakra na ososo nipa na no nti wei eye Afenyo so de a wode ehwemu na Honorable Patrick Yaw Boamah etoa ne nkomo no so Honorable Patrick Yaw Boamah Okankwe Central mrasebedwane otoa ne nkomo no so ena ode etugwa se office NDC aban no budget no a womode aba no a emufa baabi yakote so mo beye expressway ananyesa yesi expressway from Accra to Kumasi anase bia from Kumasi to Accra no office nyamie nimu niye NDC for no NDC aban na say we dey misplace a priority I say o obuso mo sa nyambia 8 years na etwa mu no mo ba ba mu no Kumasi Accra road no omo de sima omo de kwansini kura baako so and omaba be catch say omobe expressway from Kumasi to Accra and I say from Accra to Kumasi. Honorable Patrick Yaw Boamah.
If you look at the cover page of this year's budget, you can see a clear Photoshop of if you look at the cover page of this year's budget, you can see a clear Photoshop of a certain express road that the minister spoke about, that he was going to construct an express road to Kumasi. Mr. Speaker, what is the crime of the people of this country, especially those of us who ply that road to our villages, especially from Accra to Paga and to Boko? For 8 years, from 2009 to 2016, not a single kilometer of road was added by the NDC government. Yes. Yes. You come into government again, and instead of you prioritizing with the completion of the dualization of the Accra-Kumasi road, you are telling us that you are going to construct an express road. From which funds? It's a complete misplaced priority. What Ghanaians want to see is the completion of the dualization project that was started by the Akufo-Addo administration. Yes. Then you can even look at that, because even the financial models do not help you. How are you going to construct this? Through a PPP arrangement? And how much are you going to charge road users?
And the way Honorable Patrick Yaw Boamah Mraswe Dwane de ma this year war Okan Kwe Central Abatuo Empesiaso Greater Accra and yetene nkano ne nyina eye Kumase Accra Expressway P budget nim se aban se omo eye no busa se every 2009 edibesi 2016 na NDC wa bem no Kumase Accra road no dada na eda ho no mo ye ne den ne omo ebekasa asemwe ede akire Ghana for no we ye questioner Honorable Patrick Yaw Boamah ebusa no so kofa nkomo foforo bai e Parliament ho ye ntos ye fa monko NPP womo flag bearership abatwa ebaso January num na committee na mpanimfo ate onum se omo nhwa batwo no so enye ntoto yenye bibia emfama batwo no so no e de aba betu dwa se de kwesibro ne kan se proxy voting no nyamianim ni omuntimi makwan ema saade ne enkoso proxy voting ye kasa de ase akire nyina ne se ebia asante ebo a oso to aba ne bi na asante ebo atu kwan ana se dana ye to aba no asante ebo a entimi ema ose ode na bato no obeto no e de ama ejako se ejako enkoto aba no emfama no ene na NPP election committee no efi se ebema problems bebre aba so mu eye no free mu a enko hadwene bia ni nyina e bogus no a wo mo abroche no mo peso mo to aba ne bi no wo mo ene de petition ebrem pedimfo ema Honorable Joe Seusu committee no chairman okasa enra
published position or guideline on proxy voting. We've listened to all kinds of petitions. We've read the petitions presented by sections of the party, and after listening to all that, we came to a conclusion that for the sake of conducting an election that is incident-free and election that is respected, election that is accessible to all, a very credible elections, that provision or that ban should be maintained. We will still not have proxy voting in this 2026 presidential primaries. That position is maintained. Thank you very much for coming.
You, Ndiwe Honorable Joe Seusu Joseph Oseusu, former MP Dema this year was Santebe Kwai, former First Deputy Speaker of Parliament, and yete no enkano ningina. Se one training NPP presidential primaries abato no a wo mo ba beto no committee a wo mo hwa ye ntutu aye bibia no ene ye titrani ena ode sansemi tudwa na eno ache so no provisional register no mo de beto aba no wo mo edema flag bearers ni nyina Kennedy Japan je ne de Dr. Brian Champon je ne de Educhum je ne de Dr. Baumia je ne de Kwabene Japan so je ne de.
2 weeks ago we met with you and we announced that today we'll give a copy each, a soft copy each of the provisional register to the contestants. We have just finished a meeting with the contestants, a very peaceful and successful meeting. Now we are ready to give copies of the provisional register. We will encourage them to go through their many issues, raise them with us, and then we'll clean them up before we send it to the constituencies to exhibit them before we do the final register. So, on behalf of the committee, I present to you candidate number 1, Honorable Kennedy Japan, a soft copy of the register. Thank you. Thank you. Honorable Educhum, candidate number 4, is that right? Okay. I'm number 2 here. Yes, number 2 here. So present to you a copy of the register. That means all those who Engineer Gabriel Japan, here you are. A copy of the register. Thank you very much. Mr. Fred Owari is receiving it on behalf of His Excellency Boamah, thank you very much. And Honorable Ade Akye Abia is receiving it on behalf of Honorable Brian Echampo.
Dr. Brian Echampo.
Oh, Dr. Brian Echampo. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Enti na yeso obi agene de no obi agene de ma memra ejakone asante ebo ho we de ma mintie mu 2 minutes na yenkomran ye besa ba betena se na ya bobo so ejakoma chen ma be enti we issues no kakra
o beni we joso ba so ho ye
erade adome ho ye na so ye
obo ade adaro
ye na erade ase
ye na yetifo ne ahwefo so ase
yetifo joso
beni asemo wa no
asem ni ma no mini asem ka and if you danti minim say me ya you people have minim say more planning baby and I don't want to be
asante
I refuse to hear.
you
my emergency me. On my hand will come and meet a very good report of me. I mean, different person when he is not in town. So my emergency me.
It's only we na brawi attack me sa no pe bia.
A good one like I say I massa
mojo se munjo e massa. Ya go ma be die na the boss kakra de
obedi ma menhwe ayi expressway no I think that it is high time I was say yenya akwan ahodo a linki eye in various cities no ni towns ni eye the keka ho se be ya ye betumi reach out to people that maybe we have contact with and now say reach to these cities Abia pese ekoye investment ahodo ewo ho yen to mean twasoa enyusu ekwan ba ko de bia se utu na mo akopie ba bia gisa kwan ba ko pe eba sa akra na ye ma an robbers akwanya se time bia o betumi a sport ni pe bia pikini panahia na wo sa sport no a robin but ye wo ekwan ahodo a link these cities ni towns ahodo a ebeboa eboa nso ema bia ya ahodo nso e developing them.
Oh yeah.
Mabia hudo e developing them. Me kan so obi ba betwam akotechi man. Na oni business bia eye wo eye Kumasi a onyusu eye Kumasi Accra road. And one say we use express road. Say bia nipa no so obe branch konongo na say na sefo hodoma. No use we so the person will have options. Now my conjections are hodo a ewo ye kwan hodo no so no. Eswati. However so ebe boa ma kwan hodo no so ache. Because cars do na e fire kwan ahodo no eso no enu nti na kwan no so enye den enche no nti we say ya na afi mfie mienu sisi ya na kwan no asay enu na heavy cars e fa so enu na sa small cars e fa so na ebi say na ebi ye say I think say ye nya kwan ahodo na ebeboa ye nyina so ye nim say kwan so eboa e develop eye oman e ba san so asa kwan yi so ebe sha ase ma manfo asha ase e kreti eye towns ne eye cities ahodo e wo sa bia ya ye be linki sa road edi to me dear I disagree with anyone obeka say sa expressway ehun ehia for now because at a time an year war in dire need mo yet to me enya ye sa akoma no openity ye kwakosi national cathedral when even we don't have a sika hodo na haircut hodo so reach out to people ma among for who chiro ye to me etu sa na mona why not sa kwan so ba be boy developer mine no abie or mine no ama investors so ahu nepa hodo a ewo wo ma mu hado matumi nti to me said all kind 2 minutes I think expressway na de ebeboa himpa
asante mami
kakra bi na me ka re yakoba MPP proxy vote mentiase so mo so makwan ma na nya adwuma so wo amano ne bibi nti bibi asanka because on sanda na make say election internal party elections it shouldn't be only the business of the party as a party na din name egu akum that should have some resemblance of the national elections. I was saying in Ghana and Kasa Mamu no Cheno echo. Because we a political party. We are just a shadow of what the larger picture of the whole country looks like. They say, oh, Danya now say, Bibinti, they should let us know why. Because I'm afraid some people may even take the matter to court to seek further clarification. Because me bibinti adani mini Ghana bibinti say ni say na me say proxy na say money parliament to abana. Men just here because national election crowd proxy crowd so ma ho kwan. Nti ade ntra. Esa na I say pense something he says disenfranchisation. I said what disenfranchise? No,
you are disenfranchising people.
Yes, Abia ni almost about
voters are.
And whereby this election, this particular register, yeah, most of you na where national gather crowd or last elections, na say last 2 elections, will be MP, will be away with DC, former DC, so many amoso metwaba. The DC be ni Ghana no wa manonia, won't even twaba. So,
but asante, where ade na ye kan, odi ye kwaba, ade na ye kan. Where so asempa no mo kanu se problem beba elections ni mo ejina proxy voting no
na proxy voting
omo to ba ko bi wa ewu kumase obi akokotu bi o se de oduru on mo akokoto no so mo man nto aba and truly nipa na no akokoto aba no eni kwan se otu bi ombusa na o se okoto proxy what I say kwabna Japan a okoje ade onu so ke bi o se last ayi omo kokoto ye no no okoto mienu otu ba ku yo se kotu bi no and the confusing
proxy entonisa
oh asante the and the proxy so to me nkire se me mato awie ajako me nkoto ma no what I say and omo ka say to avoid this confusing omo to no other regions and Joseph Oseusu will not be in each region and I say each constituency
say head and proxy register
mo
yes I know
proxy register asante eboa but nipa no beba beto dia ma asante eboa no yenim no what I say in order not to create confusing say we are beto adenti no say beto bio no na ebekwa akọ create confusion bi ebetima pause elections no for be about 2 hours for be 1 hour no yenyi proxy nipa eto aba proxy asante kanokre say
yeah and just say
sekase ye dini nyina kra bogesi omo abroche ya omo ekun omo kun enye omo nyina na eba beto eye just ebi a chairman ene se bia ne secretary no mo ebi okra na etimika UK Ireland and nyina bom na nipa ba kwa beto
what my try Ghana for the sake of what happened on the day of election wait my proxy
but yenye ndru ho senke bia nka ropa no eye adwuma na bia can you vote electronically what I say yenye ndru ho barasante ne mani bi wono mo a yesu sunya lo sem
na me national elections no it shouldn't be
o de me enkomra e ba beto aso